check this out. Wow, this glows and really well. I really like the way this looks with this and I think you will as well too. This is awesome. The torchlight is amazing. So this might be the perfect flashlight for you to get. It is the SOFRINSK30, and just like my hair, it's almost perfect. Now here is the thing I like about this. This tube is almost all metal, and what I mean by almost, well, the only place that's not metal is this thing right here, which is the glass. It is SP waterproof, and you can charge it right on the side over here. There's the rubber thing right here that keeps all the dirt away from here. It's also the ultimate self-defense weapon as well, because it has an aggressive face on this top over here, and for those of you who are looking, it does come with its own shaft that you can use as well. Opens it up, stick it on, and you can put it right on your belt, because this thing opens up very easily too, and you can strap it right on your belt or on your boot strap or whatever you want to strap it. There's also this thing that you can hang it right on your wall just for beauty as well. So taking this out, and it has a pocket clip too, and you can actually take it out. For those of you who hate pocket clips, this one is removable, yeah, unlike some other ones that are not, and goes right in place as well. Now this is one button operation over here. Very easy for you to go ahead and press the button and it's going to work. Wow, I blinded myself. And there is two buttons over here. There is the small one and the big one. So the small one, as you press on here, actually the big one, you turn it on. The small one is for you to go ahead and adjust the different modes and setting with this. Now there is another great thing about this and why it's called the self-defense flashlight. One is the aggressive face on the top. Two is the strobe mode. This is the strobe mode. Now this one is very nice. You press on this button over here, but what makes it really interesting is that if you hold it like this, it actually looks like a taser. And that's one thing that makes this thing absolutely amazing. So let's turn off the lights and show you what I mean by this. Well, it's almost absolute darkness, but ooh, this is the strobe mode. You can see this thing is absolutely amazing. And this here is the regular mode, and you can go through all the different views over here and as well. Whoa, this is fun. I mean, sure, I closed my eyes when I did that, but yeah, check this one out. So here, let me show you the self-defense mode. What I really like about this is this, the taser. It's not a real taser, but when you press on here, it kind of looks like it, and this is just awesome. So the real test of an actual flashlight is right here, right in the dark. So I'm trying to turn this on so we can see actually where we are going. Opening this up, right into the dungeon. Here we go. Now this place is naturally super dark, and it's a great way to test how bright this flashlight actually is. So here is the proof that this place is extremely dark, and now we are going to be using the flashlight to light it up. And this is one of the modes here. But there is a few modes for us to pick from, and we're going to go through every single one of them. So this is the lowest mode, this is the second one, this is the third, and this is the most bright one. As you can see, it's super bright. Actually, this one is the brightest one. This one is like a torchlight. And the lowest one, even the lowest power over here, is still kind of bright. Now let's go ahead and show you the strobe mode as well. Nice lights and very handy when it comes for your EDC and a way for you to brighten up the day. So this is the perfect EDC flashlight, and I'm gonna go into the different modes here and why you should get it. So turn this on. this is the regular mode, and let's see how good this thing is. All the way up there. Oh yeah, right at the tip. Up, let's see. Wow. Grows like a Christmas tree right there. And this is a huge yard. We can see all the way to the bush. All the way at the front over here. Here's the bush right there. And this is huge. A lot of view with this. Now you can actually change the view around, and if you drop it, it still works. Oh yeah. And what you have to do is right in the back here, there is a second switch, and it's a little harder for you to operate with one hand, but I'm going to try it anyway. As you can see, it goes through the different modes, and we have all of them here for us. This is the least powerful one, but it's still pretty powerful. Here's the second one, here's the third one, here's the fourth, and here's the fifth. You can see the fifth one is the most and the least, so you can see the whole difference between them. Same deal here. First one, second one, third one, fourth. Touch mode is powerful. I'll show you here. You can even touch it all the way to the sky. That's pretty powerful too. Now there is also a very interesting mode here, and this one is the ultimate self-defense one too. If you press on here, look how it grows, but over here it looks almost like a taser. So this is definitely awesome. I really like this because it gives you the possibility, one touch, you just press on it, and whatever you left this at, it will come back to it again when you turn it on. And of course the other button is the strobe mode. As you can see, it goes through a very short period, but it will blind the attacker or whoever comes with you, and if you keep on pressing on it, it gives the strobe mode flashing like that. So it's definitely a very good flashlight, and so many different things that are available in the lights are blinding. Very powerful too.